welcome everybody. In today's little video, we're going to speed run rebuilding this website with Oxygen. This is going to be a quick little project. As Dream Theme 7, we used it about 3 or 4 years ago, and it was good for its time, but now it's really showing its age. This is one of our biggest clients, so this is just going to be a little bit of a rebuild, just from our side. So yeah, let's get a timer going, and then we'll get started. So first of all, we're doing everything from the start over here. So we'll go to our we'll set up a XAMPP first. This tab over here, we'll have to do a PHP myadmin. While that is running, let's quickly do an htdocs. We'll call this cozy, and we do have a standard default that we are running, which I think it's this one, so we'll just copy this to cozy. While that's running, let's quickly jump to root. Roll. Now we want a new database, so we'll just call it cozy. We'll use this donation. For some reason. There you go. Got cozy. Is this done copying? Not yet, which is strange, because we do have a fancy little hard drive, so that's kind of weird. But anyways, we're gonna move this over to my other screen so I can see what I'm doing as I'm doing it. Once this is done, we can now go to localhost cozy. This password I'm just gonna hide off screen. Give me 1 second to fill that in. What can we put on here? So we'll call this cozy. This part I just can't show, otherwise I have to remake the passwords later on. Remembering my local host details is normally what takes the longest. Cozy, cartridge, bloom. Actually, let me show you the process. So you can actually, I'll just change the password later. Copy this to this over here. Okay, WordPress is now installing. We'll save this for now. Log in. There we go. Okay, first thing we want to do is quickly just set out our read and writing. First thing we need to do is create the home page. Publish this. Once that's done, I want to see if our Oxygen is actually working. Not yet. There we go. So Oxygen, you can activate that. We'll do a blank install. While we're here, we'll just install both of these as well. Actually, I won't install our other plugin yet. It's not needed. So now we can set this to homepage. This won't be a page because they don't blog anything at this time. Okay, next up we want to jump to our main template real quick. Just call this main, publish this. Once this is done, now we basically want to just build a header and a footer. So let's put it right here. So this is quite easy. And the client brief is also not changed a bit. They don't want the part that says our rooms. It's gonna be one room only. We just need 3 little tabs over here. But those links will actually be just anchor links, so that's not a big deal. Let's add. Now, I've been playing around with Webflow for the past 2 months, so I'm a bit rusty on Oxygen. So I think we'll just jump to our library right now. We'll just use this section, and this section will be our header. Wait for the headers to load in. So we want a very basic header. Something like this could work. Right, so we'll just give this some padding. Right here we can add padding. We'll do about 25 and 25. Okay, primary background could be white. While we're here, let us add 2 colors to our style sheets. Not to our style sheets, to our settings. Global styles, global colors. Now what I want to do here is I just want to go right here. Okay, ignore the brown the first time. This plugin is kind of buggy sometimes, but that's the code that we want. It has been copied. I could just exit my font here. This new color name, so we'll just call this turquoise. I think that's how turquoise is spelled. That should be fine for now. Just add this, and to make it easier, we'll just go white. Gosh, like FFF. And then we'll just use, I don't think they, let's see if we use the real black. Yeah, I don't think we did. We used the faded black. That black is a bit too meh for me right now, so let us use a new black, something that looks about cool. We'll use that. Alright, so we'll save this. That means we'll be able to use our colors a lot quicker this way. So we want our text to be black, and then what font did they use? Let's jump here. What font? Open Sans and Roboto. See if that's the case. Roboto as well. We'll just go here. Roboto. Just Roboto. Then font size please 700. I'm saying there it's actually 16. 700. So that's what we're looking for at this stage. That should be fine. If it's getting hovered, we want the hover text color to be this, and this should not have anything. There should be nothing here. Active text color should be this. Okay, because we're not on a page this recognizes, so that's not nice. It's not showing up. We don't want any kind of border. That's old school. Now drop downs. We don't want drop downs at all. Also, we'll take this out just because it doesn't matter that much. It's just like making sure that nothing weird is happening. 8 minutes. Our initial startup's basically done, so we'll just say that. Okay, now we've got the logo over here. What I'm going to do, because I optimized all of the images before using it on this website, I'm actually just going to copy it over from here. So we'll do cozy right here. We'll just say logo to PNG. We'll take this. Yeah, that looks about right. I'll just go. Okay, so normally you don't want to use the height because it screws around with your mobile responsive views. So we'll rather just do a width. I think I'll just check my width on this. Pull this up. So obviously we want this divided by either 2. Those are the details. So we'll just go for 11 for now, so it'll show full size, which is fine. Alright, that should be it. Okay, now we also need a footer with afterstay. So that's a black footer. A couple of stuff. Okay, so now what we'll do is just contribute. There's our structure. So in this headline, we'll just say components footer. I want black block. Very basic black block. We don't want a map showing there. I think what we'll do is we'll just add a black block and take it from there. Go with this one, we'll just remove the map. That might be the easiest. Remove the map. Okay, we'll have the Cozy Cottage inverted. I don't think they have the socials at this stage. Remove the socials. I think we'll do a little click back up. And then we'll just have this little piece of code. I don't know. There's probably some plugin. We'll have a look at the back end of what this is. Just add it there. Or we'll give it over to AfriState to do it themselves. What is this section? It's going to be removed. Okay, so let's just add inner content after this. So this means that inner content just means that whatever page we're going to build, that content will be shown here. Man, this music's strange. Here we go. Okay, so that's basically, we'll just change it to black for now, but we'll change what it looks like a bit later on. No, let's change it now while we close this for now. Some of our own website work that. We'll just call this oops, that's not what we want. We want a color overlay of just white. We'll save this. Also 418. Now we'll call this Cozy Cottage footer loader. Probably split that in two. We'll see now. Upload that file. That's not basically what we want. What's going on here? It's saved as a JPEG, which is not what we want. We want this to be saved as a PNG. Cozy Cottage. PNG. That should be fine now. We'll remove this one. Load file. That's what we want. Right, so that should be okay for now. Let's save this. Example links will actually be added once we build the little menu. So let's do that now. Also, what I want to do is while we're rebuilding, I think I'll somehow add a scrollable header. Like, I don't think it's necessary. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. So 3 tabs: home, facilities, and contact us. Let's try to do that now. Appearance, go to menu, main menu. Now from here, We'll add the home page. And we'll do custom links. So this will basically be boiling down to sections. And it's called facilities. We'll add the hash for now because we don't know what it's going to be, what section it will be yet. And the next one is contact us. We'll add this. Because oxygen is kind of awesome, that should pull through on its own. Let us just open up a second one right now. Oh, save this. Refresh this. Oh, we need to create a page, actual page, and do some oxygen stuff with it. 15 minutes in. Let's see what we're getting. Still getting this, which is strange. That's fine. Alright, so we want some kind of slider here. Oh, I know why it's doing this. We need to actually have this catch on the main. And now, let's just go back to our main template and actually have it catch all. That's the problem, yeah. That's our problem. You'll see now it actually looks a lot better. But I just want to go back and fix that while I remember. Go back to our templates over here. Say edit. So from here, somewhere here is called catch all. Catch all. Catch all, that's what we want. Alright, going back. Now if we refresh this, 10 times better. Okay, back to home, edit here. Okay, I want this font a bit bigger. It's fine. Sometimes the loader takes a bit of time, and I'm quite impatient. Right. Let's add a slider. Don't normally like sliders because they're very bad for mobile responsiveness. It's actually not started the slider today. Too early in the morning to start screwing around with sliders. Let's jump to welcome to Cozy Cottage. You know what? Let's add a. What do we do here? Guessing we're adding a slider. I think I can just update my oxygen. I think this slider is screwing around. That should be okay.
Please now turn it over for the second side.
Let's see if we can get this. This section here. This section will have this. We'll add a heading to it. We'll center this. We'll add text to this. This text will have this. This will be white. This will be white. This can be our H1 right here, so that's fine. Welcome to, what is this font though? Georgia. Why do I have mixed fonts here? Oh, it's probably this font. Okay, so we'll have all the H1s, everything set to that. Page settings, global styles, fonts. So we want everything that is heading to be Georgia. And the font, that's fine. Okay, so now let's add a bit of spacing at the bottom here. We'll add about 30 margin, that looks good. Let's add some padding here. 375, it might look good once this is done. What is this font? Roboto, I think that is coming out though. We'll just add a second. Let's add a second text here. Actually, let's add a second heading here. We'll just have it down in the hierarchy. It'll be H2. This will swap around on that. Give us a 30. Margin on this as well. And then this will be this. I don't know why that isn't. Roboto. I like this little favicon. Wonder if I can quickly steal it. Here's the favicon up here. Let's someone change it now. This favicon might not work. It's too small for this. Just keep dropping, hopefully it will. Let's see. There we go. What did it say the... Those cartridge, that's cool. I think the images might change, I don't know. Right, so if we refresh this, our favicon should be cool, yes. Don't know if this is a horrible contact us button. Same thing. Can I add Bloemfontein here? No, it might be a bit too much. Don't like the 17. It's a bit on the low side. Let's up the scale a bit. Wow, that looks way too big. That's better. If you want to contact us there, just so it'll scroll to the bottom faster. Okay, so we'll add a button here. Give it a bit of spacing and margin. Actually, we'll do this more. 40, we'll put 45. This button will have to be white. Button hover will black. Text will be this, and then this will be this. No, this will be this. Okay. Font weight, we'll up that for legibility. I'll just say contact us. Now what I don't like is how small the button is. Okay, also that black is not doing it for me. Actually the black might be doing it, but it's that just go hover and we'll turn the text color to white. See, that looks a bit better. Let's have a look on the front end. Okay, it looks better than this though. Contact us now. There we go. Okay, so first section done. Next section, 3 little things. So after this section, we'll just add another section. In this section, we'll add 3 columns. In this columns, we will add image. Oops, image. Now, if I remember correctly, I just want to see how do I add classes to Oxygen again. Because obviously, we want to work as efficiently as possible. Adding classes to Oxygen. Oh, it's making it reusable. I don't like that a lot. It's not the end of the world. We'll just say secure parking, yeah. I think this will change just to we're close to hospitals. Alright, so we'll just triplicate this. Yeah, oops, that's not right. One day we'll get it inside that block. There we go. Okay, image. This image will be this. Let's upload all 3 files to make it a bit quicker. I know the hospital is not that hospital anymore. As in the new beef. That should be fine. Just say secure parking first. It's the first thing clients look at. Add this to center. Actually, we'll center everything so we don't have to do this for everything. See, that should now be fixed. That should still be fixed. There we go. Save that. Secure parking. Add it to this div. Is this what I want to add this to? Seems that way. Let me just check my phone. Oh wow, what an awesome mails you get right now. Turning is actually a really good company. I just did their tests. I didn't really upload my resume. I was just checking if I could complete their tests. That's it. Anyways, heading. We want a very small heading here, which is also not going to be Georgia. Actually, it could be Georgia. Let's keep it Georgia. Let's go margin. We'll do 125. That should be it. Now we duplicate this 3 times. Go to each. This was this, right? Don't like this font that much though. It's the only part I can't remember how to add classes. Might be because I'm so used to Webflow right now. Look at Webflow, you can take anything here. This is our new website, by the way. And add classes right here. It just makes things 10 times easier. Let's just quickly do Google search here. Adding classes. So Oxygen. Okay. So yeah, here we go. ID's not what I want. Add class, here we go. Alright, cool. We're basically done with these, so we don't need a class anymore, but it's good to know. 20, that's done. Right, this one, let's add a class to it before we forget. So this will be USB text. So what happens now, whenever we change one, it should change for everything. Hopefully the ID does not interfere. So let's see. Okay, that works. Don't like that. Okay. And I know they changed to a new location, so we'll just go close to hospitals, I think. Let's just go back to Joe. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and 6, so that's cool. Just don't have icons for that. Don't like that. And they're not keeping the hospital in, which is sad, but okay. Just gonna add this to my other page so I can actually work while going through with it. I think our images will change, but that's okay. We'll just take this little column and we'll duplicate this. Give it a bit of top padding. We'll just say 30, 30. Okay. So first will be TV and DSTV. Free Wi-Fi. Okay, we've got free Wi-Fi, under roof parking, which is a big one, obviously, for anybody wanting to sleep somewhere. Coffee and tea facilities is next. Electric fencing. And our next header is quite long, so we'll have to change this up. Separate entrance should be fine for this. We'll just put in whatever that text was right here. For your privacy. Obviously, which is the main unique selling point of why you have a separate entrance would be for your privacy. You have access to your own separate room. That looks okay. Yeah. I think this will still be correct for this. You see, they do mention this beforehand. Not the end of the world, but okay. See. Oh, pretty. I'm gonna keep quiet a bit now, just because I'm guessing I'm journeying on a bit. There's something about security I just don't know what yet. Enjoy a peaceful stay. Our top-notch how about rest assured and enjoy? Yeah, rest assured and enjoy peaceful stay with our top-notch security systems in place. That looks cool. Okay, obviously we need to change the icons. See if this is fixed. Good. Our rooms and rates are falling away, so it will just be rates, I think. If I remember correctly, empty divs, they've got a certain height attached to them, which I think looks cool. But obviously we'll add heading, yeah. Heading will be centered. This will never have to be a H1. Okay, so we need these images. So just 3 blocks. Let's save this. Don't like having 2, you know what, we'll change this to H2. Bump that up to 36. We can now go 30, yeah. Wonder if this is just gonna work. No. Don't like this font. Let's just quickly have a look. Look at this. It's not 5 times better. You know what we'll do? We'll just add this new font. Nobody's gonna accept it. But it's a shitty music that we've got going right now. See, now I do see we've got an issue of the text getting over. So what we'll do is we will just, instead of making the font smaller, which is not an ideal way of working, we'll just make this section a bit wider. Right now it's set to 100% width of page width. So we'll just say custom, and to make this 10 times better, we'll go and we'll do a percentage, and I think about 80% should get us there. So let's see again. Yes, it does, but now it's kind of looking bad. We'll go 75. Looks a bit better, but I still don't like it. We'll go 70. I don't think 70 will cut it, so let's have a look. 70 cuts it. That looks fine. How did I get that fancy thing though? Second. Don't know. Can't remember. second. Let's see. Oh. Okay, it's not a big issue right now. I'll just say second. Always funny when you look back at previous work and you can't remember how you did something. Always fun. Cottage. I don't know if this is staying the same. Second bedroom. We'll take out the word cottage on both. Yes. Oh, that should not be. That should be it. The second bedroom. Why is this looking so bad? What's happening? Alright. This I want in a bold. We'll do span. In the span, we'll just go with a higher font weight. Cut the difference. That's okay. This. I'll just say the main bedroom. Why is this repeating? I don't like that. I'm gonna take out that part. Where's this contact form though? I cannot remember. comes. Let's tell HTML5 cool. It is tell. That should work. Don't like that ugly color there, so we'll just go back. The address changed. And now the difficult part, figuring out what plugin this is. The easiest way is probably just jumping to the back end. Access is still working, yes. Let's just have a look at the plugins. I don't know. It seems somebody else played around with this. Slide, classic editor. Just contact form 7, that is so old. For now, let's just add a shortcode. For middle forms is 10 times better in my opinion. Quickly jump here. Oh no, wait, we do have a new form. We'll just see if we can add. Oh, this is not nice. Arrival and departure dates. Let's see if we can add something like that. Oh, dates. Seems we're going back to. Yeah, it seems we're going back to. What was this plugin now? Contact form 7. That's happening. Let's have a look, see what else we can work on. Okay, so it's just this image. In a couple of years since I worked with contact form, let's see. That's the shortcode we want. Just gonna add this to homepage right now so I don't forget. See, it's got those two dates. Basically what we are looking for. So we want the name, email, and phone number required. So that's good. This can come out. So we'll just say number of adults. How do we work with this again? Here we go. Date for 1. Just want to copy this. We'll insert this tag. We'll have to put a label around it. So it will be label. What is it? Arriving date, I think. So let's see. Arrival dates. I'm gonna lose my 411, but that's fine. Close off my label. Okay, now off this, there's a second one coming in. this. Why is this also 411? Call this 412. Okay, the styling is horrible. That's basically what we want. We'll fix styling now. Let's see. We want a number as well, it seems. So after this, let's go label again. And that's so not the right one. We're looking for this one. Why is it not showing required? That's kind of strange. Okay. Images change. Just want to do a quick internet test because seems I might have been shaped, which is not something that I find very funny. Let's have a look, see. Yep, time to call Everest. Figure out why I'm paying for a 200 when I get 100. So this section will be our map. If I can remember how to add a map. There was some way to just do the full map, which is basically what I'm looking for. I don't want to do the entire thing. It was under the library. This map will work, and we'll just take out the rest of the crap. We'll take out this part. We'll use the map. We'll give it a better height. Now I'll give it the real address. It's probably not going to display correctly. It's going to see if my API is actually pulling through. Let's see if this key works. Hey, this key works. Beautiful. Okay, that's fine. Okay, our zoom level needs to change a bit. Trash. I must say, I'm kind of getting over oxygen, and the way that it works is not that enjoyable. Like, I don't know, am I typing in it? No, it's not, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna kill this entire stupid thing. Just do it the old, slow way. And this is a prime example of not using class. Let's just give it a class. Cancel. If I could copy this, would be great. What is this? That looks like it. Let's see. Just checking a message real quick. Okay, so going back to client mail. The header must go away. I think that is sorted. Let's have a look see. Don't like this font, we'll change this. We still need a header, oh my lord. Okay. And the rest looks okay. Not a fan of that big space. That all space. What's this? We'll do that. Okay, so we need to do two things. It's basically style contact form. Insert header, maybe slider. Okay, and then mobile responsiveness. Let's quickly do the sessions. Oh, let's quickly change that ugly menu. What is this font? Roboto, why does it look so ugly? Why is it uppercase? See, this is ugly. This can't be. Man, this font is ugly. Could be this letter spacing, yeah, that makes a difference. But also, let's go with Poppins, it just looks a lot more friendly. Yes. Also, we can take the font weight down a bunch. There we go. Looks 10 times better, man. Look at that. Don't like this unevenness, but I don't think there's much that we can do about it. So I think I'm gonna stop right there. I think there's like 2 images that I'll change, but I've got another client meeting now. Hopefully that was oopsie, that's not a good idea. Anyways, catch you guys later. Cheers.